Talc powder can increase the stability of product shape, reduce deformation, stretch rate, thermal expansion coefficient, particle size, uniform dispersion, and other characteristics. Regarding the cleaning of the talc powder ball pressing machine, we should carefully and real-time clean up the dust falling on the talc powder ball pressing machine, and careful dust removal should be carried out during the disassembly process, and it is strictly prohibited to invade the moving parts of the machine. Check the wear of the triangle liner, bearing, screw, nozzle, and other parts inside the body of the talc ball press, and clean it up and replace the bearing grease. Check whether the base and safety bolts of the talc ball press are loose and tighten them. Open the inspection cover of the accelerator and check the gear fit and wear status. If we find that the oil pressure of the talc ball oil cylinder has a large pressure change, new oil should be injected in real time. If the oil pressure system of the talc ball press is found to leak oil during operation, it should be stopped immediately and then started after repairing the oil leak.